Hey folks, welcome to my channel and hope you have enjoyed your day so far. In this video we'll be seeing how to find out the maximum value, that is the largest value from the table. So let's see it quickly and apply the formula. So as you know, equals to sign first, we look up parenthesis, and then here we want to search the maximum. All right, so the largest value, so we'll apply max function parenthesis, and then the range, like out of which range you want to search. So I want to search from here, and obviously I can find it out. It's 87, but this is a small data set. But what if my data set is too large and I need to find out the maximum number, like the highest number? So in that way this function will be helpful. So let's go ahead and finish the formula. So I'll just use comma over here, and then again, since we have applied the range over here, I'll just close the parenthesis, apply comma. Table array would be like I want to search it from here. Alrighty, and then comma and a column index number. As you know that we have only one column, so I'll select one over here, and then range lookup will be false or 0. I'll put 0 and put close parenthesis and then enter, and here it is. So I have applied formula in the wrong cell, but let me just correct it. I'll just use the largest value, and then I'll apply it quickly. So it equals to, sorry, we look up, and in parenthesis lookup value will be maximum value, and then out of what, out of this range. Like since this is the max value, I'm not including it, right? Parenthesis over, and then comma, and then table array would be the same because we want to search it from these values, right? Comma, and then column index number 1, comma, and then 0 or false, right? Lower, enter. As you know that it should be giving the maximum value, right? So out of this range, and it has appeared, and I can just simply drag and drop, and it will appear perfectly fine over here. So 98, 98, 98, all of them. And if I try to change it from 98 to 99, and let's see if it is changing over there. So I'll just simply use 99, all right, and here it is. All right, so but I typed it manually and then formula got erased, so I'll just click undo, control Z, and then my data set is ready. All right, so here it is. Almost everything is covered, and let me know if you have any questions on it. Have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.